The brake pedal on your old trucks were pretty small. This is kind of a small target to aim for. Now, it was necessary back in the old days because a lot of trucks came with a clutch and a brake pedal and there just wasn't enough room. But these days, most trucks are being built with an automatic. So what we're going to do is we would like a larger target to hit. We've come up with a solution for you. If you take a look on the back side right here, that is the exact shape that your brake pedal looks like right now. All you're going to do is just simply put this right on your brake pedal. You'll drill some holes, you'll bolt it on up, you're going to have a nice modern look, you're going to be safer, and you're not going to have a little target to hit. You're going to have a nice regular target to hit. Doesn't take any time at all to install. I'm going to show you how right now. Now all we got to do is take off these little rubber pieces right here on either side, and you can see there are little holes right there. And we've got nut and screw for that. That fits right in there. And this has a nylon lock on it. So once you bolt it down, you're going to be safe and secure. You're not going to have to put a lock washer on there because it's already got the nylon lock on there. Pretty simple, straightforward thing we're going to be doing. We're just going to simply put this right onto the brake pedal, mark our holes and drill them. Now sometimes because the brake pedal will be black, it'll be hard to see your marks on there, so you can just get some tape and put them over the edge right here, and that'll make it a little bit easier to see. I'm going to start off with a smaller drill bit as a pilot hole, just because this has a bend on it and the drill bit can tend to walk around on you. Another good idea is to put some paper down here and collect all of these shavings. And another thing I like to do when I'm doing something like this is I'll only drill and bolt in one at a time. And the reason is that you might think to yourself, well, I'm just going to mark all 4 of them and then I'm going to drill out all the holes. But the problem is that when you're holding it up there and you're drilling out the holes and stuff, they'll get a little bit off on you. So I always recommend to just go ahead and drill one hole, bolt it on. Now we know it's not going to move around anywhere, and we can drill the rest of the holes and make sure we're absolutely centered and we don't have to enlarge any holes or anything. The kit comes with a little bit of glue. You'll simply put some right in here in the channels, and then you just take your rubber pieces and put them right back on, and then we don't have to worry about these coming off in the future. So you can see the brake pedal fits in there really nice and fast and easy, looks really good. Now you're going to want to match up the rest of the pedals. So we've got your one for your parking brake, and we've got your gas pedal too. Now you're not into blackout, that's okay, because we've got this nice brushed aluminum too. So what you're going to want to do is go to the website or go to our catalog, and you can see all of the brake pedals to choose from and all the other miscellaneous things that you can do on your interior at the same time: handles, rear view mirrors, etc., etc. Make sure you customize your truck the way you want it so that it serves your purpose. My name is David Welch. I'm at Brothers Tech Center every single Tuesday, making sure your truck gets back on the road and looks good at the same time. Make sure you check us out on Facebook and Instagram and subscribe to the YouTube channel, because every single time you do, a mechanic finds a lost tool. See you next Tuesday, man.